Now we begin with tragedy, and the death toll from last evening's road crash along the Kisumu-Kakamega Road has risen to 26 after another victim succumbed to injuries in hospital. Families of victims have gathered at the Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital in Kisumu, where their injured kin are receiving treatment. Authorities are now appealing for blood donation for victims under medication. Let's now cross over to our reporter Judith Cherono, who is at the hospital. Judith, what more can you tell us about this sad development?
They are flocking in. Even as we speak right now, I can see to find out the status of their loved ones. One more victim indeed succumbed last night, making it 26. That is now the total of all those 5 who had been reported to be critically injured. All of them are now deceased. The governor was here, the PS for Health also was here, and even other leaders have continued to throng this parade just to give condolences and to register their sympathies with families and relatives. And we were able to talk to some of the relatives as well as a victim. Let's listen to them.
I'm just from Nairobi. I landed here around 7:20. But unfortunately, the services that we have seen with my father at the morgue is not really well. Just come here, we get the information that my mom is in ICU, but at least we wanted to one of our family members to see her so that at least we know the progress and what take we should be doing.
Lakini naona niko afadhali kidogo, sio mbaya sana. Tuka gari miguu itoka, tukastuka, tukaanguka. Tukiwa tumeanguka hata tumejipata kama tuko wazi.
Also, Professor Nyong'o, who is the county governor of Kisumu, was here. He also condoled the victims and members, and he mentioned that as the county government, they have set up a desk that is running for 24 hours just to help the victims, and that all the victims have been identified and nobody is missing. So they also mentioned, the authority also mentioned that at least 36 family members as of last night were given psychological counseling, and that is going to continue even as the plans are underway for how to carry out a pathological or rather post-mortem for the deceased victims. And now let's listen in to Professor Nyong'o as well as PS Ouma.
No week passes, by the way, no week passes without an accident or the other on that road. In fact, it has been called Konambaya. We nicknamed Konambaya. Now, we would like to live with Konambaya all our lives, losing our people on a daily basis.
On the patients that we are having in the ward, majority of them need surgery. The stabilization was done in the night. All of them are now stable. What we are doing, we have engaged with the doctors. We've also engaged with the county governments. We want all the patients to get their surgeries by midnight today.
The authorities also here, including Red Cross, have called on the members of the public to come and donate blood. And so far, as of around midday this morning, or rather 4 who had come to donate blood at this facility, should come and give blood because we're going late until to midnight.